Hi, assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am back with another video of another product. I ordered few bed sheets from a online website which is windsorlino.com, and it has like 3 bed sheets, and it got delivered in within a week. We are seeing so much hype on the internet nowadays. They have sponsored many videos on the Instagram from where I actually ordered. So without wasting time, without further ado, let's open it. Okay, let's start to unpack it. It feels like I have some magic in my hands. Okay. Oh!
Wow, this is solid?
Yes, 3 bed sheets.
Yellow, green, pink. Yeah.
So you can see 3 bed sheets here is one of $12.99 rupees. It came in a you can say package. They were offering some new offer where if you order 3 bed sheets, you can get it for 3,600 only. Okay, I have ordered in green color, one in yellow one, and the pink one. Honestly, without even opening it, I can tell the quality is not so good, but let's just try to open it. First, start from this. Oh, where is it? Okay. 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 These are 2 pillowcases. I have my brother with me, and he can let you know how's the quality. Okay, so these are the pillowcases. Let me just first measure it. It's around 2 feet and 5 inches. Okay, one thing I would say the quality is just okay. It's not so good, not so bad. Too good to be called good, or too bad to be called good. But okay, now bring me another one. Okay, now I am opening it to show you the size of it. It was of king size. Okay, now you can see the measurements. It's not really kind of. Never mind.
7.4.
Okay, it's a square bed sheet because the length and width are same. First we measured the length, and afterwards it's around 7 and 2. Okay, alright, it's cotton, but you can see it's very see-through. We have a yellow sheet underneath, but as you can see, if I put my hand underneath, you can even see that. So it's not very, in camera maybe you cannot, but I know and as you can see, I think it might get the cloth balls. So it's not a very good thing, but let's just see in future. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video and enjoyed the honest review. Let's see you in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.